Hello, welcome everybody from Dubai. We are going to the Qudra Cycling Path now. We have different tracks which we can complete. We were completing like a medium distance, like 28 kilometers. Yeah, it's very special because we will go through the desert, so it will be really interesting. So I hope that you will enjoy it. Let's get started. This is only the beginning. It's not a very deserted area here. So if you come to the cycling path, you will expect that in the beginning it will be not so interesting and not so spectacular, because we are next to the road, and there are some construction areas too, so it's not so enjoyable. Well, the cycling is enjoyable anyway, but we are not in the desert yet, and this is why I came here. So I decided to take a longer path. Well, it's really windy, so that's really bothering, and it's hard to ride like this, but it's not that bad. And as you can see, the view, it's gonna start to be more beautiful. I think after this hill we will get to the desert. It will be nice. It's an incredible view to cycle around the sand dunes. We just met like a antelope herd. It's really interesting. I don't know exactly what kind of animals are these. I think it's antelope. But what I wanted to say, it's totally worth to come here because it's really amazing view, and I really enjoyed it. The sand dunes, and yeah, like in the middle of the nowhere, and it's not that hot. It's like 28 degrees because we are in the end of November. Winter is coming, so yeah, this trekking is not really advised to do it when it's summer here, because in summer between June and August it's almost 50 degrees in the desert, or at least 40, so that would be a torture. So peaceful. Man at work. So I did 50 kilometers in the end. It was really amazing. I loved cycling through the desert. It was such a nice experience and a beautiful view. So I hope you enjoyed as well, and if it's so, then please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it before. And it's very important to press the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.